Hello students, welcome to Solve classes. Today we will be solving the CSIR UGC NET questions from the June 2018 paper. We will be solving the set C of the Mathematical Sciences paper. Let's start off with question number 77 today. In question number 77, it is said that let A be a 6 cross 6 matrix with over R with characteristic polynomial x minus 3 whole square into x minus 2 to the power 4 and minimal polynomial x minus 3 into x minus 2 whole square. Then the Jordan canonical form of A can be, we have been given 4 options over here. These are the 4 options. So now here the characteristic polynomial of A is characteristic polynomial of the matrix A is x minus 3 whole square into x minus 2 to the power 4. And similarly here minimal polynomial is equal to x minus 3 into x minus 2 whole square. So as you can see, therefore the algebraic multiplicity of the eigenvalue of 3 is 3 and the algebraic multiplicity of the eigenvalue 2 is equal to 4. So therefore you can say that since the algebraic multiplicity of the eigenvalue of 2 is equal to 4, so therefore we can write that the order of the largest block in the Jordan canonical form in JCF, the Jordan canonical form is 2, and similarly here the order will be for algebraic multiplicity of, since algebraic multiplicity of the eigenvalue 3 is equal to 3, so for order of the largest block in JCF for the eigenvalue of 3 will be equal to 1. So therefore as you can see in option 1 and 4, the order are not equal to the order, this condition that we have got so far, that the order of the largest block in JCF corresponding to 2 is 2 and order of the largest block in JCF corresponding to 3 is 1. Here it is incorrect in option 1 and option 4. Option 2 and option 3 are correct. Option 2 and option 3 are the correct options over here. As you can see, this is the block that we divided by this. Okay, so therefore the correct options are option 2 and 3. So today we have solved question number 77 from the CSIR UGC NET paper of June 2018. We will be solving the next questions in the subsequent videos. Till then, keep watching Solve classes videos for more solutions and content. Thank you very much.